Secretary Gadon, is yung issue ng arrest
Oo.
ni former President Duterte.
Yes.
No? So what is your take on this? Ang dami kasi nagsasabi ng mga, alam mo na, sinatawag mo ang kanya-kanyang ano na, keso hindi raw tama yun, hindi mali daw yung ganyan.
Well, actually ganito yan. Yung ICC or International Criminal Court, it was founded in Europe by a lot of countries. A lot of member countries signed as member of the ICC. And then, ang talagang primary role niyan or mandate ng ICC is to investigate and prosecute any crime committed against humanity, no? And they can only take over or they can only exercise jurisdiction if the country where the crime happened has no effective judiciary system. Yung case ni former President Duterte, yan ay na-file noong 2017 because they wanted to investigate the killings done since 2011, at the time that he was the mayor of Davao City.
Right. Bakit mo nga naman daw tutulungan ng somebody na araw-araw tinitira ka?
Oo, yun pa.
Araw-araw, ano, no?
Well, actually,
di ba? What can you say to that?
Well, actually, Rodrigo Duterte could have been saved from being arrested by the ICC kung naging mabuti lang siya kay BBM. Kasi ang pwede naman gawin ng administrasyon noon, this was my suggestion kasuhan natin ng ibang kaso, ng murder din, na premeditated murder, etc., etc., yung wala ring bail.
For him to be tried here in
Yes,
the
for him to be
Philippines.
tried here. So that when we acquire jurisdiction over his person, then he cannot be brought out.
Yes,
Kasi sasabihin natin, meron siya
tama
pananagutan
there's
dito
an existing
And then, ikulong natin sa veterans doon sa presidential suite. Kung umaga, mag-golf siya doon, mag-swimming siya doon, o pasyal-pasyal siya doon, o kaya magpaalam siya, magpapacheck up, dadalhin sa St. Luke's, tapos mamasyal sa mall. Or kaya, pwede naman na ma-house arrest siya sa Davao, doon sa kanyang farm. Or pwede niyang hiramin yung farm ni Erap. No, napakaganda doon sa Tanay.
Or yung wheelchair daw. Kasi mayroong presidential wheelchair na
yun.
Sa'yo din yata galing yung joke na yan.
This actually, these things could have been avoided had he been good to BBM. Araw-araw ba naman yung tawaging bangag, adik? Ang nakakainis nga to, pati mga supporters niya, patawag sa akin bangag. Kahit ang pogi-pogi ko, bangag ako.
It was filed by the ICC. It was by the government. More so lalo, hindi by BBM. Bakit yung sa kanya?
Yun nga bakit sa kanya? Hindi, that's what I'm pointing out, di ba, earlier. Sinabi ko nga na 2017 pa na i-file yung case ng ICC. Sino si BBM at that time? He was not in power. In fact, he lost in the 2016 VP race, di ba? So, he was jobless at the time insofar as the government is concerned. Pagkatapos siya, ang bibintangan mo.
That's right.
At saka, isa pa, yung case na yan,